Okay, so I gotta be honest. SpongeBob's not really allowed in our house until the kids get older. The problem that we're running into is with having older kids in the house and younger kids in the house. The younger ones are watching SpongeBob now, and oh my goodness, is it mindless? I make them change it. I'll be honest with you there. People don't watch too much SpongeBob, just enough. Just again, anyway. All right. So we've got volume here. All right, and we've got fractional sides. All right. The whole idea with the fractional sides is, well, you're going to have to use no, don't. It's fractions, people. It's okay. It's not the end of the world. It's nothing that's going to no, calm down. Fractions. We'll walk through it, people. We'll walk through it. Okay. So remember here, volume is the area of the base times the height. So when we're looking at the volume in this particular case, there's my base, my length, and my width. So I need to do 15 times 1.5 times, and then the height. So here the height is 3. Okay? So if we're going to multiply, we make everyone into fractions. So 15 over 1. Whole number to fraction. Always throw a 1 underneath it. Improper fraction, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, so it is a 3/2. And then again, whole number over a 1 there. So again, I'm just going to change everything to improper fractions. And then I'm going to look for any sort of cross division. Nope. I just got to multiply across it. I'm stuck with it there. So 15 times 3 is 45. 45 times 3. And again, I don't mind if you use the calculator here. All right. 45 times 3, well, 45 and 45 make a 90. 135. All right. And then 1 times 2 is 2. So yeah, 135. We're going to divide it by 2 here. Again, we do need fractions. So if you grab your calculator and you punch that in to find what half of 135 is, and then you want to convert it into a fraction, that's fine, but don't leave it in decimal form. All right, so hey, reach for your calculator. Go ahead and do it. Do it. Type it in. All right, type in 135 divided by 2. All right, when you do that, you should end up with 67.5. But again, we want it as a fraction, so 67.5 is really 67.5. Yeah. All right, so that is your volume, 67.5 inches, and then cubed. Again, that's how many cubes we're looking at. So again, not a bad thing, your fractions. We gotta do our simplifying that's there. So we're gonna skip on down here a little bit. We're gonna get to the good ones. All right. Remember, volume is your area of your base times your height. All right. The area of your base here we go. It's a 5 by 5, 6. So we're gonna do 5 times 5, 6 times, and your height 1.5. So remember, we do need improper fractions. So I'm going to go 5 over 1. All right. This is already a fraction. Leave it alone. It's okay. 5, 6. And then improper, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is 3/2. All right. Now, is there any cross division? Oh, my goodness. Is there ever? Look at the 3 and 6. How many groups? Let's start here. Who fits into 6 and who fits into 3? Well, yeah, 3 does. 3 fits into 6 2 times. 3 fits into 3 1 time. So now when we multiply across, 5 times 5 times 1, that's 25. 2 times 2, 4. All right. And then we just want to simplify. So how many groups of 4 can you take out of 25? Well, you can take 6 of them. All right. How many pieces are left over? All right, well, that's 1 of them, and there's 4. And again, 6 times 4 is 24. So again, if you didn't like the mental math there, and it's okay if you're using it there, all right, you can do the actual division, all right, and see that you got 1 left over. So that's why it's your 6 and I got 1 piece left over, and I was trying to put them in groups of 4. We don't have a units of measurement here, so this would be units cubed. That's what your answer is. Let's try the next one here. Again, volume is the area of the base times the height. So the area of the base, we're going to go 3. Do I know this measurement from here to here? Yeah, there it is. It's 3 1/3. So I know I'm going to do 3 times 3 1/3. And what's the height? Height going up and down? Also 3 1/3. So let's get ourselves some improper fractions here. 3 over 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So it's a 10/3. All right. And 3 and 1/3, it's the same thing. All right. Do you see any cross division? Yeah, the 3s. Yeah, they'll knock each other out. All right. Both divisible by 3. So we can just multiply straight across. 1 times 10 times 10, that's 100. All right. 1 times 1 times 3, that's 3. All right. Now, again, if you're comfortable doing the mental math, that's fine. If not, we're going to do a little division off to the side. How many groups of 3 can you take out of 10? I can take 3 of them. All right. So that's a 9. A 1 when I subtract, bring down my next number. How many groups? Same thing. I'm not going to go decimal here. Remember, the reason why I like not going decimal is because I'm going to be done here. It's not just a 0.1. Remember, I stay away from decimals, and either way, it wouldn't be a 0.1 if we did use decimals. So we're gonna one group. I was trying to put in groups of 3, one piece, I should say. So 33 and 1/3. Again, 33 and 1/3. I don't know the units of measurement, so it's units and then it's cubed, because again, it's how many cubes that we're dealing with there. So again, it is the same idea from yesterday. All right, I hate to disappoint there, but we're just bringing back our friends, the fractions. All right. Yeah, one more, people. All right, so area of the base times the height. Base, length times the width. And you can see there's the 2. So you want to put the 2 down there? Hey, go right ahead. So I'm going to do 5 2/3 times it by the 2, and then my height, 7.5. Let's convert everything. All right, 5 2/3, what do you think? Yeah, 17/3. 3 times 5, 15 plus the 2, 17. So it is 17/3. The 2, what do you think about that? Yeah, 2 over the 1, all right, improper fraction. And then 2 times 7, 14. 14 plus 1, yeah, that's 15, all right. So it does give us our 15 halves. Looking for cross division. Do we see any? Do you? Do you? Do you? No, not tomorrow, today. There's cross division right now. 2 fits into 2 one time. 2 fits into 2 one time. So I'll take the bottom row, you take the top row, okay? 3 times 1 times 1. Yay, 3. All right, 17 times 15. Like I said, I got no problem reaching for the calculator here. If we type that in, 17 times 15, my calculator says, and see if yours says the same thing, 255. All right. So again, let's clean this up. All right. How many groups of 3 can I take out of 255? Well, how many groups of 3 can you take out of 25? 7, 8, aha, 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, you get a 1, bring down the 5. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Did someone plan this out? You're welcome. All right. 5 times 3, yeah, is 15. So we can take exactly 5 groups out. There's nothing that's left over. So we're done. 85. The volume, 85 units cubed. That's it. That's all we have for today. All right. So again, volume. Area of the base times the height. Don't get upset just because you've got some fractions to deal with.
That was easy.
Hopefully you're saying that. All right. We'll do more tomorrow. We'll see you guys.